So medical bags. These are bags that, we don't want additional particulates or, contaminants in the bag. So it's a different process on how we make these bags. It's, as you see on the screen, there's, medical masks, syringes, glasses, anything from, retainers, stuff that you just can't have dirt or particulates in it. So it's a higher end bag. What you see on the screen is, you see the plastic side plate, the metal core plug, and inside is a plastic core. So what we do, we produce these in this environment and then we instantly bag them so no other particulates can get in there. So it's an individual bagging process, costs a little bit more, but customers need this. So this is something that we strive to do, and we do it day in, day out.